This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 16-inch round canvas I have pre-primed with medium black paint and a desire to experiment with centrifugal forces. I have Prizm pours to work with from Colour Arte and a 20% off coupon code underneath the video should you want it. And I'm going to try not move my hand. And add a ring of Chantilly lace. That is not coming out anymore. Fortunately, I have alternatives like mother of pearl and let's grab one of them. Let's start with the mother of pearl. I'm thinking about doing a gold burst, like a sunburst. This is the mother of pearl. I'm not sure if I shouldn't have moved it out a little further. I'm not sure what's going to happen, honestly. I'm going to use some shiny taffeta. I always wanted to do this part, just for grins. I have a beautiful new Prizm pour. I believe it's an antique metals, but it's Indian spice and it's a beautiful gold. I'm going to use some Mayan gold. There's a chance I'm going to use some ginger flower to swipe with. I've got Solar Flare, but I think I'm going to use Tuscan Sun before that. And then some Solar Flare. Hoping that it's quite open. And then, do we have enough paint? That is the question. I think I want to do something else. Like, remove that dog hair. I don't think I got a shot doing that. This could be a while. It may even have been a mistake. What should I tell you guys? If you share my videos, you help me out. Your thumbs up is very much appreciated. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Really appreciate that. If you're into shopping on my Amazon link, I'll find you my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And anything you purchase starting at my Amazon link helps me out incrementally. It helps a little bit. And I really appreciate that. My 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They are the first 200 videos I produced for YouTube. They include all the tools and the processes and the paint colors. And if you buy the soft cover, you have an option to buy the $9.99 ebook, which will give you all of the links to. That last one might not have been quite right. Okay, so now I think it's time for me to grab some of my acetate tools. And I'm thinking, what do I want to do? I was going to use a palette knife to pull that out, but it needed to be round at one end and not at the other. I'm telling you what, I think I'm going to use some of my gold. I don't think that's the right tool. I am going to put some iridescent Pebeo Gold mixed with Aussie Floetrol into my dish, along with some ginger flower added to Aussie Floetrol, which is a primary element pigment powder, and some Amsterdam white on top of that, and some Amsterdam black on top of that. And I'm going to try and pick it up with one of my little acetate tools, like so. And this is what that looks like. And I want a place to put that down. Let's just do it over here. That could be fairly convenient if I'm quick. I'm still going to spin. And I'm not sure what that'll do since I have no pillow paint underneath. One last one. Oh, can I get it out of there? Alright. Let's try the spin for grins. And then we'll just go in with the, I used a skewer and a little spatula last time. Kind of think the spatula worked better. It's not helping. So I'm just going to drag my paint right out and see how that works. Go from all the way on the inside. If I don't like it, I'll swipe it. I haven't used a basting brush to do this yet, but it's not beyond the realm of possibilities that it could happen. I thought I was going to put some orange in here, and I'm thinking maybe I should have. Let's spin it out again. Looks like my center is not as centered as I thought it was. I have some orange cell activator and a small acetate tool, and I'm thinking that that might be the way to go. Though I also have some Pebeo blue-violet iridescent, and that might be nice too. And the orange is coming if the Pebeo doesn't make me happy. And it should be cell activator, but I don't know that it ever worked that well. Scrape that off. Get a clean start. I don't feel like wasting this canvas, so I'm not going to give up. That is the unicorn, orange unicorn spit added to Aussie Floetrol. And where is our little blower? If I can untangle it from the cords that it's wrapped around. I want that orange. orange. I may have to go in and black out my center. Kind of miss the Tuscan Sun was a lot more bright yellow. And I'm thinking, if I grab a paper towel, I might be able to clean up that center before it gets any drier. But I guess we'll find that out together. I don't think that was too bad. Just a damp paper towel. Now, I did use a skewer, and I think I might want to do it again. Use the flat part of it. If I can't find the original one I was using, I'm going to grab a clean one. Just put it in at an angle, and it still ought to be somewhat cool. It's part of a series. I think the first part went a little better. Everything can't always work out. It's how you learn. It's how you learn what you don't want to do. Get to those cells, I might decide to leave them. It's not beyond the realm of possibility I might make a Tuscan Sun center. I got some cells. I have some nice colors, and they will shimmer. They will be beautiful. There is no doubt about it. Let's get rid of those bubbles right now. And that lump of whatever is. Anything that's incorrect will be resolved by dragging a skewer through it at this point. I hope. Almost all the way around, yay! That's a long way around. But that's kind of cool. Where did my spatula go? I have another one. Maybe it's a stage 1 and I'll get to play with it tomorrow. Because that looks kind of cool. I had this idea I just had to do. I'm not sure I like it though. When you think you haven't really succeeded in what you were anticipating, that's a good time to try anything. Kind of like the little drops of Tuscan Sun, but I think it would take way too long to add them all. So when you see it and they're there, you'll understand what happened. if I run out of time. Which would be a shame because I'd really like to shimmer it at you. I think it adds a lot. But I need to not drag the bottle through. Like totally. Totally don't do that. Which requires lifting it up a little higher than I had it. I definitely like that. I'm kind of thinking an orange center or an orange ring around the center would be interesting. This might be a lot prettier than I'm anticipating. I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my art, and I can black that center out again. I just have to decide what the ring is going to be. And I'm almost done with adding the drops, which is cool. I am done. Very nearly. Thought I was done. I like them too much. I want to add as many as possible. They seem to help a tremendous amount with making the design cohesive. Can't be that bad of a circle. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. Yes, I can. So I'll try and rectify it with a few well-placed pulls. And a few more well-placed pulls, and I gotta tell you guys, I love you guys. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check out my 2,500 videos, and if you're interested, actually there's 2,600, and they're on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. I think I camouflaged that really well, and I think I might like to make the center gold, but that's not gonna happen right now. So whether it's a fail or not, we shall see. I don't think you can really fail. There's a 20% off Colour Arte coupon code for Prizm Pours and Primary Elements and Resin and Vivid Polypore and Vivid Enamel. I am a Colour Arte affiliate. So you help me out by shopping Colour Arte, and that looks good. That looks really good. That might have saved the day. Ha! I still think there's a possibility of adding something tomorrow that would make it even better. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I said that already. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share my videos if you have a mind to. I hope you learned something. I learned a few things. And I want to get another spatula right in there and tidy that edge up. Because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link next to my second book, Unlimited Possibilities. I love you guys. Come again. I posted 3:15 weekdays. Actually, I posted 3:15 7 days a week. I see a couple places that I need to fix. But otherwise, whoops, sorry about that. Other than that, I think we're good to go. Bye for now. See if I can stop that from spinning. Priscilla out. Okay, I'll see you anon. Whatever I forgot to tell you in this video, I'll tell you in another one. But thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. Those of you who donate through PayPal really are very, very loved and appreciated for doing so.